The CareHawk Life Safety Communications platform provides visual and audio communication, ideal for schools. We secure schools by equipping them with modern mass notification technologies to quickly notify of threats from weather, fire, neighboring crime, and potential violent attack. Keeping classes informed instantly with clear communication is the most effective way to minimize threats and keep students, faculty, and administration safe. For schools and campuses, we turn your floor plan into a live interactive dashboard. Now you will be able to initiate, view, and respond to your daily communications in real time with MapAssist or the Advanced Administration Console. The Informed Classroom provides communication to alert, inform, and guide staff and students through everyday activities as well as emergency situations. Utilizing our network of messaging displays combines visual messaging with audio alerts to ensure your messages are seen and heard, which is effective for everyday use and absolutely crucial during an emergency. Beyond the classroom, the CareHawk Life Safety Communications platform can be used by district administrators to initiate lockdowns and issue weather alerts. CareHawk also makes day-to-day school operations easy with classroom phones and intercoms, synchronized clocks, bell schedules, PA speakers, and more. CareHawk schools are prepared schools. Modernize your school communication system before your next emergency. Want to learn more? Visit carehawk.com.